Tonight, two separate battles over access to MONSE records is likely headed to court. The mayor says the city doesn't have the legal right to release certain financial documents. But the city's inspector general and city state's attorney disagree with that notion, saying key information is being unlawfully withheld.
As Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor is reporting tonight, it appears that standstill could soon be settled by a judge. Rebecca.
Yeah, Mary and Kai, with dueling legal opinions already issued here, both sides now say that they might be out of options when it comes to settling these disputes out of court. Two of the city's top officials in two fights over transparency now facing the same looming outcome. A judge likely to decide what records City Hall can legally withhold pertaining to MONSE, the agency overseeing the mayor's crime-fighting strategy.
This is making sure that we protect individuals' constitutional rights.
At a press conference announcing his run for re-election, State's Attorney Ivan Bates standing shoulder to shoulder with several city officials as his dispute with the mayor reaches a head.
Well, it's not legal action that we wish to take, but what happens in this process is simple.
Bates explaining a lack of information being shared with his office when defendants are involved with MONSE prevents prosecutors from providing answers to public defenders, raising due process concerns. But with Bates and the mayor both obtaining dueling legal opinions on the issue, Bates now saying that breakdown will likely be brought before a judge.
If we cannot answer sufficiently that information, they will then file subpoenas. Based on those subpoenas, if we cannot answer sufficiently those questions, then they'll file a motion to compel. That is when this matter will be before the court, and then MONSE or whomever will represent MONSE will have to answer what is going on, what is happening.
They're very big redactions.
Meanwhile, the Office of the Inspector General also hitting a wall trying to obtain records from MONSE.
I can't do the job when I'm given documents that look like this.
IG Isabel Cumming saying for the first time in her 8-year career, the city suddenly denying her local subpoena power, claiming she's subject to restrictions under state MPIA laws, shielding confidential records such as personnel files and financial documents. In a hearing before her advisory board,
allow me to get pro bono attorneys to help me get and enforce the subpoena that I lawfully issued.
Cumming ultimately granted approval to seek outside legal counsel, setting the stage for two separate legal battles involving the same city agency. And as for what specific information they're trying to obtain, Bates and Cumming both say that the city is keeping financial records from them. Reporting live in the newsroom, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.